po tayo dito. Can I request Sir Ando? Sir Ando, please. Linis. Okay lang yan. Please dance with our debutant. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give her a round of applause. Palagpagan naman po natin.
Kalasan niya ang Philippine Roses.
Sige lang, ma'am.
Dapat may picture. For our next dance, I would like to request another police. Sino ba yan dyan? Sir Ombre, you are requested
Focus on best.
to dance with the daughter of our katrabaho, si Ma'am Jinian. Sir, please. Ladies and gentlemen, Sir Ombre, please. Sige. Ayun.
Okay na lang ako nag-practice na kasi
Picture daw, picture. Next, we would like to request si Sir
Makoro.
Sir Mukoro, you are requested. Sir Julius, please, for another rose.
Happy birthday. Magpupulis ka ni Puros pulis na yung mga iba.
Ayaw kayo masisira ng beauty, B. Pagkapulis ka.
Damot pasaway.
Palagpagan naman natin, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much to our PNP who are here. Next dance.
Last dance ko na yun sa Sir Banda. Last dance. Sir Banda. Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, for another rose, we would like to request Mr. Raven Canario. Let's give a round of applause once again to Mr. Raven Canario. For the next flower, we would like to request Mr. Kevin Laurente. Dagbagan naman po natin. I would like to request for another rose. We have Mr. Tristan Haka. Again, Mr. Tristan Haka, please. Let's give a round of applause. That was Mr. Tristan Haka. Tristan Hakaya, I mean. Next, we have Mr. Nesty Kid Roa. Ladies and gentlemen, for another rose, we would like to request Mr. Aaron Lloran. For another rose, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to request Kian Villas. Where is Kian? Ano ba si Kian? Evan John Pelilio. Agan? Esben John Pelilio. Palakpakan naman natin. Evan John Pelilio. Ganito ako. Bugas. For another rose, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to request Mr. Christian Compio.
Bata.
Next, we would like to request Sir J. Lord. J. Lord, please.
Ano yun niya bata?
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause for another rose. We'd like to request the uncle, Mr. John Ray Pelilio. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, for another uncle, we have Mr. John Alfred Rivers. Kasama ka. Kanina kami mabibigyan. O, ano lang?
Box.
Happy birthday.
Next, Rose.
Kuya Patoy.
Balot ni Pan.
Kuya Patoy.
Ano pa?
Kuya Patoy.
Ang karan.
Pastor.
Pastor ano?
Villas. Pastor. Pastor.
Alright, next, I would like to request Sir Pastor Villas, please, for another rose to our debutant. Ladies and gentlemen, andyan ba si Sir? Sir Patoy Villas? Alright.
Ang kultiban na lang.
Esteban na to ano? Lolo.
I would like to request Lolo Esteban Pelinio o Manutiban. You are requested by your apo to be part of one of our roles.
Gabriel.
Would like to request Gab also. Gab. Gabriel.
Dusog nga di.
Manutiban para makumpleto natin. Duha pa. Maduhan na na dyan yan.
Red cell.
Andiyan na si Ken. Ken, come here. Ay, hiya si Ken. Once again, we'd like to request. Come here, Ken. All right.
Ikaw na. Ito, paya. Sige, banat.
Sumayaw.
And to complete our roses, we'd like to request Mr. Edsel Cervantes, the last dance of our debutant.
Nakasawagan.
Wala ba kayong mga kamay? Palakpakan naman natin. Wow! Ladies and gentlemen, that conclude our internal roses. So, can you please sit down? Yung mga nandito, pwede ba mag-join? Lahat, sir? Nasali kayo po? Lahat po ng... Thank you so much to Uncle John for being our official photographer. Ayan. Lahat po na nag-join. Ayan. Everybody guys, smile.
Okay.
One more, isa na lang.
Dapat ko nini. Dapat pixel niya.
Palakpakan naman natin, ladies and gentlemen. Hello.
Risha girl. Gina, magtutok ka mo. Ano, nagtutok.
Hi, bye. I'm grateful na 8 years na ka na makaka-open. I hope na lang natin na. And that...
Nakakatukit sounds. Nakakarag na to.
I hope na this one is mahinatin, makahinanakit ang buhay. And maging healthy ka na ulit. Bayat chat na natin.
Alright, so you will let our debutant blow the candle. Ayan, palakpakan naman natin.
Risha girl.
Alright, for our next candle, I would like to request Miss Jacqueline Asdilia. Palakpakan naman natin. Hello.
Happy birthday, Ben.
I hope you...
Hey.
I hope you have a wonderful day.
Filled with love and laughter and happiness.
You don't let my face.
Thank you for being such an amazing friend for all memories we've shared. I'm grateful that you became
Hey.
I'm so grateful that you became part of my life, and always remember that JP, Risha, and I will always be here for you no matter what happens. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Palakpakan naman natin, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, let her blow the candle. Thank you so much. This time, ladies and gentlemen, for another candle, we would like to request Miss Ira Dixon.
No. Happy 18th birthday by our girly pop.
May your special
No. May your special day be filled with joy, laughter, and all the wonderful things life has to offer. Stay humble and kind. Enjoy and slay the night. No. Enjoy and slay the night. And again, a black.
wishing you good health and more birthdays to come and joyous return. Love you.
Thank you so much. Basta ko nang mahinig boses, di na yung nadara. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, for another candle, we would like to request Miss Melanie Redasa. A round of applause, please.
Pinanyapoy na. Dakola tingog, dakola.
Happy birthday, Bidis. Mayayakan na Yalabay. Surabang kay Kaday na mabuting asal. Yan. More chikas pass. Yan. Thank you for 4 years friendship. Salamat gusto ko at ating friendship. Yan. Gumus na mo kami hindi ganda. Happy birthday, bye.
Let her blow the candle once again. Let's give her a round of applause. That was Miss Melanie Radasa. At this time, I would like to request Miss Era May Tama.
Parang doon, papangin na ako. Bakit mo na sa Oh, finish blow. Nag-blow na. Baka din na ako, ha? I-chat ko na. Chat na lang. I-chat ko na ito, ha? Happy 18th birthday, Bilis. Welcome to adulthood. I hope this new...
Hello.
I hope this new chapter is filled with happiness, success, and unforgettable memories. Nakatuloy ka bara. And I hope our 4-year friendship will stay strong. Waray pa to. Stay strong and keep being fun, mahusay lagi ha, independent, from kaya pa. Tapos, I hope your college journey parang ganito. Happy 18th birthday, baby. Mahal tayo. Maadi na kami nira Adrian ng Manistan. Mahal tayo.
Thank you so much. Let's give her a round of applause once again. That was Era May Tama. For our next candle, we would like to request the cousins of our debutant. We have Rain Villas.
Rain, warayada.
Let's proceed to Sophia Villas. Again, we would like to request the cousins, of course, of our debutant. We have Miss Sophia Villas.
Ato, nalilibang tat niya sa.
Oh.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate Denise. I wish you more birthdays to come. Thank you for being the best cousin ever. And I hope you have the best birthday ever and more birthdays to come.
Yay!
Thank you so much. Okay, we can have that. For our next candle, I would like to request the auntie who are here. Let's start to Mama Regina Lago. Yes.
Hello, Ate Denise. Happy birthday. Of course, I wish you
Always the best always for you. Don't rush everything. And
everything that you do in your life. You always ask the guidance of our Creator. Yes. Kanya ni mo mapipilian tama and always enlighten and guide you in everything that you're going to do in your life. I wish you all the best and all the success, of course. Yes, so with everything that you're going to do. That's all.
Thank you so much, Mama Regina. Next, we have
Ay! Blow the candle.
China and phone. Yan. Auntie, kahit wala dito, nasa abroad, she will give her message through loudspeaker. Di ba, Grace? Oo. Ila-loudspeaker, ikakanila ng speaker. Ano't imong mensahe?
Anay ko pa nila.
Oo, sige. Anay.
Kakaro.
Ano kay multitasking kami din eh. Sige, sige.
Okay lang ito, mabati nga talang. Upayo tayo speech kay Ali daw na matidilit ko Ali. Bugos nga late. Live ka. Okay. Alright, go. What do you want to say?
Maray na ada few way.
Hello, waray ako po ang speech.
Adi na ning candle.
I love you.
Sige.
Ano kantol? Happy birthday.
Speech.
Ayaw na pag-asawa. Pagtapos may pag-eskwela. Magbuhong ko ikaw. Upload. Ano man? Ang tawa-tawa din ha.
Natawa.
Ayaw pag-asawa ha. Finish your study.
Ano pa?
Magbuhong ko ikaw. Kaya lang
Ano to message? Amulat to? Amulat to. Okay,
I'm
sige.
not that sweet.
Wow.
I'm not that sweet, tita.
Okay, sige, pa-blow candle. Okay, in your behalf. Oh.
Palagpagan natin. Thank you so much, Tita Grace. Very supportive. Next, we would like to request another auntie. We have Auntie Ina, Jonathan Baloyon Compio. Ayan, Auntie Daying, kadianay. Imo na time. Iguro malay kami ng lighter, kaya wala na ko wala na umandar ng lighter. Sige daw, maandar pa ba inin? Alright, so just only say also your gift. Okay, wala ka treasure. Diretso inin.
Hi, Pines. Happy birthday. Huwag mag-yakan. So, adyan akong gift na imo.
Yay!
Happy birthday, Otro. So, kung ano man timgin aagian, mapahappy ka man or sad, adi lang kami always para imo. Happy birthday also.
Yeah. 50 pesos.
Palagpagan natin. Thank you so much. Ano ba, may lighter? Call mo kami. For our next candle, we would like to request, ayan, we would like to request the grandma, of course, Ma'am Anisita. Kanina, oo. Halika na dito. Ano tayo mong mensahe ni ngayong apo? Oo. Ano tayo mong advice? Ano tayo gusto ibiyakan? Ibiyakan na yan na.
Next, happy birthday! Alam mo na yan. Ayaw na pag pinasaway, kay disapos ka na, ha?
Pasaway ka ngayon.
Kay alam mo na, ha? Happy birthday.
Ay, tupra.
Thank you so much, the proud grandma. All right. Next candle, we would like to request the sister, of course, Joanne Sedario. Let's give her a round of applause. Ayan.
Toy, happy birthday, Toy. Ngatanan nga akong ngatanan nga akong busain. Toy, mga tanan. So, maramak lang nangangalas ka akon kay ano to? Nga maramak nangangalas ka akon danay kay Kalimak magbubusahin. Pero, para time tanan. So, ay, pagtuok!
Birthday wish, mo.
Katanan nga, katanan nga, mga problems ni mo, adila ko para I'm always bisan danig yung babaro kung atanan ting mga kuwan. Pero, love you, Ben. Happy birthday.
Palagpagan naman natin, ladies and gentlemen, the sister of our debutant, Mama Joanne Sedario. Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, this time, for the another candle, wala pa rin, no? Iniyak na ako. Hindi ko nahiyak. Matry daw na kita kung pwede. Can we request the auntie? Can I request ang nanay, han, debutant? Si Ma'am Janeline Villas. At tumada. Damo iya trabaho on. Alright. So now, ladies and gentlemen, we will now proceed to the last candle. Of course, this is the most important person of your life. Let's give a round of applause to other than the mother of our debutant.
Yay!
We have Ma'am Zinia Pilinio. Palakpakan naman natin. Hala.
Speech!
Excited ako.
Speech!
I'm more on kuwan action, ninaablong dayon.
Delikado.
Karabutan, ninataplong, ninakasayo. Happy birthday, baby. Yan ang pagpinasaway.
Ginoo.
Pagtapos, ha? Kaya mo lang mga hatagay yung ating. Uyab-uyab,
Ginoo.
ha? Good health and successful in life and in your kuwan.
Good.
Yan, maka-college ka na pagtuhay. Ha? Love you, baby.
Yeah.
Palakpakan naman natin, everyone. Grabe ha, intimate. Okay, this time can I request everyone, tayo muna tayong lahat kasi Mag-blow na ng candle ang ating debutant sa kanyang napakasarap na cake. Ayan.
Ayan.
Mag-music kita anayhin. Happy birthday traditional.
Traditional.
Alright, everybody, please stand, please. Sabay-sabay tayong kakanta ng happy birthday. Anay, ha? Hindi pa na siya music. Yung kay Kuman Lighter. Ayan. Amo na ito, pag-play na lang ito. Ayaw, alay. Pahumanak anay dito. Putretas din.
Ada mo nga awiton.
Ano ba? Papaso na?
Kerila. 18 man lang yan. 18 kaya ka kandila.
Wari kandila nga kuan. Da mo nga ito niya horuyopon.
Ako na makanay. Damo nga kandila dahil.
Balit, da mo ito niya horuyopon.
Paano ko na niya uhoy po? Siguro sa usaa ha. Hindi ka kaubos.
What's that, banana?
Alright, sabay-sabay tayo ha.
With Modest Long's hypoallergenic
Aton, may modest pa.
Everybody, let's sing happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Let's make it faster at this time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. And one more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. All right, Denise, make your wish. And at the count of 3, you're going to blow the candle. Ready? Sabay-sabay tayo mag-count. 1, 2, 3. Blow your candle. Palakpakan, everyone. There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Sige, ubusin mo. Ayan. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to announce everyone who are here tonight that Denise Gwen is now officially 18! Palakpakan naman natin. Woo! Now at this time, ladies and gentlemen, I am now giving the microphone into our woman of the hour, to our debutant, to Denise Gwen on her words of gratitude. Palakpakan natin, ladies and gentlemen. Kayo po, Denise. What do you want to say to everyone who came here to celebrate? And what is your message to everyone? Anay, about the music. Go. Happy birthday. Go, imo message.
Hello everyone, thank you for coming. Bisan ang aton aragian medyo ikatunay kanta dya, pero thank you so much na yung effort. That's all.
Amula.
Amula.
Ano pa masalamatan pa nga iba? An mama, an everything.
Ang lechon.
Ano mga sponsor?
Thank you mama, tita, Juan.
Ano na?
Ang venue.
Ano po
Tito Pato and Tita Jeneline Parahan, and then yun, Papahura
Patron.
Mario, and Kahon Friends, and Sir Nasty.
Kanang Uncle John.
Ginaw.
Tapos Tito at amon cameraman.
Ginaw.
Ano tayo mo wish it him kuan? Di mo wish it himself? Nga gusto mo lang i-share.
Gusto ko lang maging successful.
Hey. Hey.
Alright, palakpakan naman natin. Grabe. Ano yung Kuya, Kuya Patoy, kani anay, mahatag kan message. Mga auduno nila nga family. Alright. Sige. Yan ha, magsasarayaw na kita ha, everybody. Let's continue to enjoy the rest of the night. Ang mga nainom pwede uminom, hindi rin pwede uminom, di pwede uminom. Alright. So I want to say congratulations to Ma'am Jinya. Palakpakan naman po natin, the proud mother. In spite and despite an atul weather, naging bless kita para hindi nga celebration. This is really to show love ni Jinya Haniya anak, di ba? Kaya hiyang, kung hiya magdibo, hiya anak, bonggang-bongga ang dibo. Humirayo pagod kita, ano. Anyway, congratulations to Ma'am Jinya for the success of this event. And of course, to our debutant, welcome to the world of adulthood. So, in behalf of Party Moments with Kuya Yul, my wish to you is to be responsible in life, in your actions, in your words, and everything that you do, and be a successful someday like your mother and your titos and titas. Again, happy 18th birthday. Palakpakan natin everyone. Hep hep! Hooray! Everybody let's shout, happy birthday Venice! 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Vinny!
Wow! Music na tayo, Venice. Sayawan tayo, everyone. We still have a lot of foods. You may enjoy our food and our drinks as well. We will end the program, but not the celebration. Pwede ko naman himang overnight. Alright, thank you so much. Again, this has been your event host, Mr. Felix Basibas saying thank you, and let's continue to enjoy the rest of the night. Enjoy, everyone, and congratulations. Music! Party, party! Hindi talaga party.